Clearing a scheduled time set point. In this tutorial, you will learn how to delete a scheduled time set point. The Harmony Thermostat allows you to have 2 or 4 scheduled time set points per day. If you wish to use only 2, you can clear the unused time set points. For example, if on Saturdays and Sundays you want the floor to warm up at 10 a.m. and stay warm until 11 p.m., you will program the P1 and P4 set points. Since the P2 and P3 set points are not in use, they can be safely cleared. To begin, press and hold the button marked Program until the To Modify, To Continue, and To Exit icons appear on the screen. Press the button marked Day until Saturday and Sunday appears along the top of the screen. If you want to clear the P2 set point on Saturdays and Sundays, press the button marked Program until the P2 icon appears at the bottom of the screen. To delete the P2 set point, simultaneously press the button marked Program and the Return button until the time and temperature setting disappears from the screen. Press the button marked Program until the P3 icon appears on the screen. To delete the P3 set point, simultaneously press the button marked Program and the Return button until the time and temperature setting disappears from the screen. Press the Return button to exit the programming.